The kind old village lady. Many years ago, there lived an old lady in a small village. Her name was Meera. She lived alone in a small house near the river. Every morning, she woke up early and swept her yard. Then she fed the birds and watered her plants. The villagers liked her because she was very kind. One day, a hungry boy came to her house. He looked tired and weak. The old lady felt sorry for him. She gave him some rice and vegetables. The boy ate the food happily and thanked her. Before he left, he smiled and said, "Thank you, Grandma. You helped me when I needed it." The old lady felt happy because she helped someone that day. Thank you.